I want to share some exciting news, and I'd love to come back and show you this as this rolls out. In the next month, we're going to be rolling out a free product. It's called Intelligent Release Advisor. We're releasing a light version for anyone to use. We're going to put it on our website. We're also going to have a pro version that can have a subscription tied to it. And the light version is going to leverage AI, pull all the across, and we're starting with Oracle and Workday, and we're going to expand, but it's going to be able to pull all those release notes in. It has robust dashboards to say what's opt-in, what's defaulted, what is categorized by these different areas, how does it line up to different modules. So you can best report and read that out to your business to help those IT departments more easily consume it and read it out to those business owners. And then we have AI co-pilot experience where you can ask a question, say, what are the top 5 things I need to focus on for accounts payable or receivables or core HR. So we're enabling that, and we're going to give that out very soon. And then the pro version, what it will do is actually understand the context of a client's environment. So instead of just pulling those 400 features and helping you dig in and sift through them much more efficiently, what we're going to do is be able to export the design of a system. We're going to be able to compare that to the new features and filter off the things that aren't necessary for the customer to review. So let's say out of those 400 features, across all the cloud, they're only using 5 or 6 applications. They're only in the United States and the UK from a regional perspective. It will filter down and say, out of those 400 features, you only need to focus on 180 based on the applications you're using, the regions you're in, and it filters down and it actually simplifies how you consume that, making it much easier to make decisions, and then leveraging our config agent to actually move that configuration. So some exciting feature I just wanted to share that's coming in the next month or so that customers are going to really be able to leverage.
Fantastic. Yeah, like I said, I'm really looking. I mean, I've got a little bit of intel from the inside. I know I can't talk about it too much right now, but that, like I said, that new product, yeah, is very, very exciting for the community and what it brings, the benefits that it does bring. I mean, I know we were talking about automated testing. I mean, why is automated testing on its own not enough to create that real confidence after a release? And how does pairing testing with an automated user enablement change the outcome for the business?
Absolutely. And I've, kind of to take it to I think the last theme here, because we've talked about regression testing, operating, with the processes you have, enabling these new capabilities. And, we talked about making sense with this intelligent release advisor, creating efficiencies with how we migrate that to production. But we've also got to test those new features. So the automated testing comes into play to say, okay, we've enabled across our applications 30 new features. We can leverage the testing agent to test those features, add them to our repository. So then our regression suite is evolving with the changes we're making. So I just want to call that out. But to your point, adoption is huge.